This fan cools the LEDs. It is not very efficient, therefore I have to replace it by a larger one. A larger fan will require special fixing on the aluminium profile. That's why I'll have to produce a component on the 3D printer. This is the fan I decided to use. The dimensions are 25 by 25 mm with a thickness of 10 mm. I'll have to create a little cover for one side and a component to fix it on the aluminium profile for the other side. I got some alternatives on eBay. This one has 17,000 RPMs with a thickness of 10 mm and the other is 7 mm thick only with 10,000 RPMs. To be able to create some components on the 3D printer, I need to know the fan's dimensions. So I'll start searching for the corresponding datasheet first. In the datasheet, I'm primarily interested in the fan's dimensions. To design components, I use the Design Spark mechanical application. Using the dimensions I found in the datasheet, I designed this little cover for the fan. Further, I designed this air duct. It will serve to fix the fan on the aluminium profile. Here we can see the components being fabricated on the 3D printer. These are the final products right after the fabrication. And this is the air duct after its cleaning. And this is the fan's cover. Now it's the time to assemble all the three parts together. I used the screws of the size 2.5 mm with the length of 20 mm. The resulting module seems to be quite big. Let's check the space in the aquarium. The gap between the aluminium profile and the original fluorescent lamp holder is 17 mm. The thickness of the fan is 10 mm. The air duct depth is 12 mm. And the thickness of the fan's cover is 2 mm. Together 24 mm. If we add the screw head, we'll need 25 mm. I decided to replace the original fluorescent lamp holder by a lid printed on the 3D printer. To do so, I needed to measure the original fluorescent lamp holder and its thread. The lid is being printed on the 3D printer now. And now I'm going to replace the original fluorescent lamp holder by the lit I produced. And now it's the time to install the fans on the aluminium profiles. Let's start with the front part of the aquarium hood. The fans are finally mounted on the aluminium profiles. What remains is to install the fans on the aluminium profiles of the rear part of the aquarium hood. Finally, these are the fans mounted on the aluminium profiles of the rear part of the aquarium hood. And here the fans running on the aquarium. This is the front part and this is the rear part.